Welcome back to the channel. Today we will reshape our logo element using the direct selection tool. Begin by choosing the white arrow from the toolbar, then select the shape layer containing the design curve. Anchor points now appear for editing across the path. Click the top anchor to activate its handles. Drag it upward to create a smooth elevations. Guide the handle outward to enhance the curve flow. Now adjust the lower anchor to maintain proportion. Repeat the process of both sides of the curves. Each modification adds subtle refinement to the structure. Use bezier handle to perfect the counter. Combine fine movement for precise polishing. If a segment feels uneven, adjust midpoints on the path. Thanks for watching. Continue.